My name is Ronald Rapholo from Milk Producers Organization, but here acting as a chairperson of the task team for livestock transformation. So we are here in Eastern Cape for the Livestock Transformation Conference, which aims to bring all the stakeholders under one roof to align all our activities to make sure that we bring an impact in the livestock industry. So all those stakeholders are here, and it's important for us to engage with the department, which are policy makers, the financiers, the commodity body, to start working together to make sure that this transformation is no longer a lip service. It is implemented and it has an impact to our economy as we are battling unemployment. Eastern Cape has a lot number of livestock, but the quality is a problem. So that talks to a training and also making sure that the smallholder farmers and medium farmers start practicing good animal welfare, and also they improve on their genetics so that their animals are acceptable in the formal value chain business, so that they can make money and make a living out of those animals. So it's not only one area that we need to look at. We need to look also at the financing part of that, infrastructure, to make sure that they have the relevant infrastructure, the tagging and the traceability as well. So those are some of the things that we need to really assist our farmers to make sure that they are competitive.